All right, hey guys, Mick Satcher again from sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com. And by now you probably know what I do. I am a private mortgage note investor, which means if you are someone right now who is receiving monthly payments on some type of promissory note that you gave to someone, and you don't want to receive those monthly payments anymore and you would just rather get a big chunk of cash, I'm the guy who will give you cash for that promissory note or land contract or whatever installment sales agreement that you're on. Please note, I'm only interested in promissory notes that are on real estate. I will not be interested in buying your note if it's on a car or equipment or drum set or a washing machine or something like that. No, that's not what I do. Just to clarify what exactly it is, perhaps you were a owner who decided to sell a $100,000 house, but the person who wanted to buy the house only had $70,000 cash, and you didn't want to lose the sale. So what instead you did was you said, okay, hey, listen, give me your $70,000 cash, and the remaining $30,000 that you owe me, you can pay me over the next 10 years at an interest rate of 10%. And once you created that paperwork, what you did in essence was create a promissory note. And that's the note that I want to buy from you if you are interested in selling, okay? Usually within 48 to 72 hours of you giving me all the information that I need so I can do my due diligence on that note, I will make you a cash offer on that note. So this way you get a chunk of cash rather than just getting monthly payments. Now, if you haven't done so already, please go to my website, sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com. And once you're there, provide me your name and email address and your phone number. Once you do, I will email you my contact information as well as a free report titled The Note Holder's Guide. It's a free step-by-step blueprint that I created called The Note Holder's Guide. Discover how to maximize your note's value. It will give you everything, all the information you ever wanted to know about creating a promissory note and how to maximize its value and how to sell the note to someone like myself, a private mortgage note investor. Before you go there, also give me a thumbs up here on YouTube. By doing that, you are telling me that you are enjoying the content that I'm creating, and you're telling YouTube that I'm creating something of value, so this way they don't boot me off and kick me off this thing and keep me around for a little while, okay? Thank you. Also, please share this video with your friends on YouTube or with your friends on Facebook and Twitter, and tweet this and tweet that and Instagram this and Snapchat that. Whatever you want to do it, please, and share it, because the more people who know that I buy mortgage notes, the better, because I buy about 2 mortgage notes a month. That's all I have interest in. That's the amount of cash that I have to allow me to buy about 2 mortgage notes a month. And I'm not some huge company out there that's got a crap load of money. I do this as on a private investment basis with some retirement funds that I have. And I've been in the real estate business for a long time now, over a decade, which seems like a long time when you learn a lot in over a decade. So I got into this business and I love it. And if you're sick and tired of receiving monthly payments and you would rather just get lump sum with cash, call me. I want to buy it. Today I'm going to talk about one important factor about the mortgage note business that you really need to understand. It's a term called seasoning. And what exactly seasoning means is, once you've created a note, typically a lot of people will contact me after they've created a note. Like, yes, let's say they created a note 2 weeks ago, and then they'll call me up and be like, hey, I created this note, give me some cash, I'm ready to sell. Though there are times where I would buy that note, most probably I won't be jumping over the moon to buy that note, because we haven't even created any type of history with that borrower, or what's called seasoning, meaning the note hasn't seasoned yet. The longer the seasoning, the better. A note is considered to be seasoned if it's been 6 months, 8 months, 12 months. You might hear the term, hey, listen, we need 12 months seasoning before we would consider buying the note, or we need at least 6 months seasoning. I would say 6 months seasoning is probably the bare minimum that you want. If you're trying to get the best value when you're selling your note, that's pretty much the bare minimum that you want, when it comes to a note. So that's what seasoning is all about. And if you've heard the term before, now you know exactly what it is. Please, I hope I'm creating something of value here and you like what you're listening to. do me a favor and thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, and please, if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment or question below. And if you haven't already, go to my website, sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com, and download the free report or the free guide that I created, step-by-step blueprint on creating the perfect note and discovering how to maximize your note's value. It's important information to have. Once you have it, you will know everything you need to know, and you and I can talk on a nice one-on-one basis, and we can talk intelligently with each other because you'll understand a lot of the stuff already. And by the way, this is my soccer jersey. I'm a big soccer fan, so no, I don't work for Fila or anything like that, but you'll definitely see me wear a bunch of soccer shirts and stuff like that. So again, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope to see you on the other side.